Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for stopping by at No Rush Garage. My name is Wrench It Ralph. We're here talking about the 1996 Dodge Ram 2nd Gen cup holder. This cup holder that this vehicle came with, it does okay, but it's nothing that I'm impressed with. You can insert your cup of your choice inside the designated slot. Just make sure that it's seated correctly. Unfortunately, one time I ended up buying a drink, place it on the cup holder, take a right turn, and done. It was on the floorboard. Made a mess of my floorboard. Wasn't a happy camper, but it is what it is. We got what we got. Doing a little bit of research, ended up finding this place called Genos Garage. Typically, they do a lot of Cummins, a lot of diesel aftermarket products, but they had a cup holder that I was very impressed with. I really liked the design, and it looked like it did its job. So I contacted them. They sent me a catalog. I ended up purchasing the cup holder, and in this video we're gonna install it. So if you haven't done so yet, click down below and subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, and I hope this video is able to help you. I appreciate the support. Stand by for the install. All right, everybody, as we unpack the box, like I said, it comes with a magazine, a catalog, giving you all kinds of different options. Okay, really cool. So you can check it out. It comes with, dropped it. It comes with an actual bumper sticker. It comes with a Cummins decal. Obviously, my vehicle's not a Cummins, but if you do got one, super cool. Okay. Some discounts for other products. Comes from the thank you note from the business. Comes with the instructions. Actually comes with a little bit of strip of Velcro. Another little pamphlet. And the actual aftermarket cup holder. Really like it. Okay. I think it's going to work really nice. It's nice and deep for your cups. Another little slot for whatever you want to put there. I think these are meant to be for like cell phone holders. More than likely, I would imagine this design was created before. I'm assuming these cell phones that we have, but you could always stick your cell phone in there. Your drink over here. Okay, so I like it. I think it's going to be something cool. Okay, so stand by with me and join me for this installation. All right, everybody, we're inside the pickup truck. We opened up our center console, and we just want to do a little test first. Okay, since I have these seat covers, it actually has a band that goes around it. So I want to remove everything just to check for correct placement. Okay. So that bad boy is going to end up sitting like that. I already like it. The only concern right now that we have is this nipple, okay, that engages with a locking device right over here, okay? So all we're going to end up doing is just unscrewing it a little bit more so it's a little bit longer for it, okay? And the Velcro is actually going to sit in the back here, and that other piece is going to sit here. So it gives us the option to be able to drill some screws in here, self-tapping screws, and then here. But I'm not going to do that. I think the Velcro will be just fine. Okay. So let's get ready for this. All right, gents. Just touching bases one more time. Okay. I put my my center console cover on. The only thing I don't like about this is just the string that it carries on over here. Okay, again, but this is the nipple. You can unscrew it, giving you a little bit more access for this. But I like it. I think that looks really sweet, man. You know, it does the job. You can put whatever you want there. Grab your cup holder, and it's seated in there deep. I think it's a good thing. Okay, we can actually zoom out. It looks pretty cool. I'm not too happy with these seat covers. Paid almost $200 for them, and they don't do what they intended to do, but hey, it works. So there you go, guys. Genos Garage. I'll put a description down below if you want to check it out. Again, this is a Gen 2. I believe it's a 1994 to 2002. If you're interested, if you want that little aftermarket product, I think it works great. So give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel like I said before, and we appreciate you guys checking it out. Be safe out there.